Hey guys! For this video, as you can see in the title, we are finally doing the house tour. We've been promising it for over a year. Well, we've been living here for over 2 years now. And we said from the start that we would do a house tour, and I know you guys have requested it. Like over the 2 years, there have been requests, and I've always said it's coming soon. So I'm so sorry, but it's here. I feel like if you guys have followed our vlogs, you pretty much know what our house looks like by now anyway, because we've pretty much vlogged from every part of the house. But here is an actual proper house tour with some footage of before our little renovations. And yeah, so we'll talk through what we did and where we got certain things. So I hope you guys enjoy. Obviously this house tour doesn't include the nursery because the nursery isn't complete yet, but I'm sure we will definitely be filming a separate nursery tour, and I know I will be super excited about that. So that will actually go up when it's ready. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Showing up, don't wanna have to wait tonight, wait tonight.
So welcome to our house. This is our hallway. This is what you see when you walk in, and I really like this hallway. It's kind of what I pictured my home to look like. And we also have our old shoe rack, which we've decided to sort of use as more of a decorative piece and have this nice plant and some books on top. We do have some shoes on it, and we've tried to keep to our shoes that are matching. So we've got like his and hers shoes, but Phil's shoes are getting dirtier and dirtier by the day.
And we love the large mirror. There's very expensive ones, but there's also a cheap one, which we got from Kmart, which I think was $20 or $30. So that was a very good buy for us.
Significantly cheaper than everywhere else. And the shoe rack is from Ikea.
What makes this heart beat faster?
So in our living room, we have our beautiful couch. So when we were in our old place, we had this tiny little couch and we didn't have room for a chase or for somewhere to put our legs up. And so I really wanted to get a couch where I could actually put my legs up, and it was like the best thing ever. So we got this couch from Focus on Furniture. We got the coffee table and the side table from Adairs. Adairs is our other favorite shop because we wanted sort of like a marble look, and we really liked the marble against the timber. We knew that we wanted a really nice rug to go underneath it, and we knew that it was going to be a rug that was going to be there for a long time, so we're willing to invest in a good one.
So we got it from Harvey Norman. It's a wool one. Is it 100%? I don't know. It's a premium wool.
I think it's 100%
100% wool. It feels amazing on the feet, and we just love the look of it.
The TV cabinet is from Ikea.
Yeah, those TV units you can pick and choose. You can have them double across ways. You can put a shelf on there. You can even put shelves underneath. We just went with the clean white doors at the front.
We got this macrame hanging from Freedom. It was on special. I feel like we have room there for a bigger one, but I do like this one and it fits with the color palette. And we got these prints. We just had them printed and ordered from Desenio, but we put them in Ikea frames. And that's a really cheap way of getting artwork if you don't want to spend a lot of money on artwork, or if you feel like you'll probably be changing it up a lot. That was a really good way for us to add pops of color into the living room, as well as with the cushions and the throws as well. And the cushions we got mainly all of them from Adairs, except for that knot, which is from Kmart. And then with this fireplace / heater situation, it was super ugly before we moved in. Yeah, it was gross, as you can see. And so we decided to sort of repurpose it. We originally wanted to take out the heater because we knew we wouldn't use that because there's ducted heating in this house, but it would sort of cost too much to get rid of it. So we just decided to leave it and then paint the existing tiles, which was a really cheap, easy way to freshen up that space. And then I really like the ledge on top of it for putting lots of artwork and plants and candles and whatnot. I feel like that really adds to the room. We also have some lovely fake plants scattered around the house. We do have some real ones too, but we're not very good at looking after plants, so we did decide to get some fake ones from Adairs and put them in nice baskets and nice pots. So in the corner we have this chair. It is purely for decorative reasons. We've got this little throw on it from Kmart, as well as a cushion, and it is sort of just a space filler, but it does fit well in that corner, although we do use it for when people do come over as an extra space to sit on.
And we also have our drinks trolley, which has also come from our old house, so that's like a kitchen trolley from Ikea.
So this is our bedroom. This is what we consider as the master bedroom, and it's a lot bigger than the bedroom that we came from in our old place. And so we actually have room in this bedroom for me to actually do my makeup as well. So I've actually brought over my old desk and used that as my little makeup station. The desk is from Ikea. The mirror is also from Ikea, and then I've got some little storage, acrylic storage things, which I think we got from Howard's Storage World, but I'm pretty sure you can get that for cheaper now from Kmart.
Yes.
And Amazon, etc. And then I've got these little jars to hold my makeup brushes. Most of them are from Kmart, and one of them is from an old candle. I also have a little basket that holds my daily bag, the one that I use the most, just so it's easy to grab and go, and I also put my wallet in there as well. And then next to that I have this little side table. Now this was an addition just because we thought it would be a nice little decor piece. This is also from Ikea. The vase and the fake vines are also from Ikea.
We love Ikea.
We love Ikea. Now, those fake vines are so bloody hard to dust, like it's just impossible to clean them. And then we got this little cute little rug from is it TJ Maxx or TK Maxx? From TK Maxx, which we just randomly saw, and we thought it would be nice to put a little rug underneath it. And then the little ottoman that we have is from Kmart. That is what I sit on to do my makeup. Now for our bed, because in our old place, our bedroom was tiny, but it was a priority for us to have a king size bed. We decided to get a king size bed anyway, and basically it was the only thing in that room. And so we decided to get a bed that had storage and somewhere to put where you would usually put stuff on a side table. I love good bed linen, like nice bed linen, just not only looks nice but just feels so nice, especially in winter. It's from a range of places. So the pink blanket on top is from Adairs, and we bring that out in winter because it's just so warm to have it. And I love the little tassels at the bottom as well. And then underneath that we have our jersey quilt cover. And if you don't have a cotton jersey quilt cover, you need to go and get one because it's life-changing. It just is so soft. It feels so nice when you sleep. Yeah, definitely go grab one. And then we've just got some cushions from Kmart as well as from Ikea, our two favorite places. Yes. Apparently. And then we also have this canvas, and the photo is actually from our engagement shoot.
It's in the same color palette.
Yes.
So you may have noticed the color palette that we have gone for is
blush, pink, gray, neutral.
Yep.
What makes this heart beat faster?
So moving on to the dining room, this probably isn't a very exciting space, but we do really like our dining setting, which is from Lounge Lovers. So we got this glass table as well as the chairs and the bench, all from Lounge Lovers. And we decided to go with a bench on one side so that when we had people over, and we had quite a few people over that would be able to fit more people around the table, because once again, coming from our old place, we weren't really able to cater for more than 2 other people, and so it was really nice to have that space to actually have more people over and everyone sitting around the table comfortably.
And our clock in our dining room has come from our old place as well. At the start we were thinking, oh, do we want to spray it black? But after putting it up, because our walls are not white, it actually looks quite nice. It does pop a little bit, but not too much. So, and that clock was from Freedom.
Better off.
Now moving on to the kitchen, this is where we pretty much haven't done anything, and we would like to one day renovate the kitchen, but at this moment in time, the kitchen totally serves its purpose. There's nothing wrong with it, so we just decided to leave it.
One night to find the answer to me. What makes this heart beat faster?
So originally we did want to get specific light fixtures for every single room, but that was going to be too expensive, so we just decided to focus that on the main areas of the house where it would really highlight it.
And also our curtains, so because they were quite
Ugly.
Yeah, ugly.
Ugly.
I was trying not to say. I was trying not to use the word ugly.
They were just ugly.
They were disgusting.
They were so ugly.
Gross.
We took them off the windows. That was like one of the first things we did. So we had bare windows, and then there was a whole disaster with finding curtains to fit them.
Our windows in this house were a lot bigger than the standard size, so there was no curtain rods or curtains that were actually wide enough and long enough for these windows. The ones that you see now, the curtains and the sheer curtains have been the same since we moved in, but the rails are actually new, so we actually replaced these already. The first ones we did, we went with we wanted black, and yeah, so we hung them up, and then after about a year or so, we saw that the brackets were bending. The weight of the curtains was very heavy.
The rods weren't very good quality.
The rods weren't good quality, the brackets weren't good quality, it wasn't supporting any of the weight. When you slide them across, on a curtain rod, they're actually really hard to slide across because they're so heavy. These are the rails that actually have wheels underneath, so you do get that smooth sliding motion. Opening and closing the curtains now are just so much more pleasant.
Like, no joke, it was a chore to open and close the curtains.
And Jo would hate it every morning. So she would not get off to a good start.
Yeah, to start the morning in a bad way.
Yeah.
So moving on to our bathroom, this is where we decided to rip it out and start again for a couple of reasons. It was really squashy because there was a shower and a bathtub. And also, even though in the photos, like on face value, it looked okay, there was a lot of mold everywhere and it was just really gross. So we just decided to rip it out. I really love a modern bathroom. That's quite important to me in a house or where I'm staying. And so we decided to go with a much more modern look. We also decided to forego a bathtub, which I know is a bit controversial if you're deciding to start a family, but we decided a big walk-in shower would do and would be able to make do with, you know, little bathtubs in sinks and things like that. We also have this extra little hose in the shower, which will help with the kids when they grow up, when we have them. We were extremely inexperienced and we did go with a cheaper contractor, and he supposedly was able to do everything in the bathroom, but in reality, if you're renovating a bathroom, you need different tradespeople that have different expertise, which we didn't know at the time. And so there are some imperfections in this bathroom, but we are still happy with it, and we did choose the tiles and the vanity and everything in it. So overall, we're happy with the bathroom.
So we just got little towel hooks to put onto the wall directly, so we didn't need an extra towel rail, so that worked really well. And our mirror cabinet that we chose is a super tall one, which we really like because that makes the bathroom look a lot bigger than it is. Plus you also get a lot more storage in there as well.
Gonna find my way tonight, way tonight.
Now moving on to the laundry. So this was a second bathroom, but we decided that there was really no value in having two bathrooms in the house which were just next to each other, and neither of them being an ensuite. You know, why would you use 2 bathrooms if one's not even attached to a room? So we decided to actually change one bathroom to a laundry, a proper laundry, because originally there was only a European laundry and it was a really, really small one. We do have this massive LG twin wash which was sent to us a while ago, and we love that washing machine and we didn't want to get rid of it. So we did decide to have a bigger laundry, and it is nice to have a laundry with proper storage. So we changed this into a laundry, but we still added a toilet so that we've got 2 toilets in the house.
And also we painted our whole house. The house was like a beigey, creamy color.
Ugly.
Ugly, disgusting. And we just wanted white. So that took about 2 weeks to paint the whole house.
Yeah, and I was like hating life by the end of it. It's not the painting itself that is difficult or laborious. It's the prep work beforehand.
Oh, yes.
It's the cleaning, the sanding the walls,
Yeah.
the cleaning, masking. Gosh, that takes so long. It's really, really hard work, and it just feels like a never-ending journey. It feels like you'll never get to the end.
What makes this heart beat faster?
So this is our office. It was mainly just Phil's office because he does have his own business, so he works from home. But obviously more recently it's been a home office for both of us, as I've been working from home as well. Usually on my desk I would only have my Mac, which is my personal computer, but I do have another setup for my work laptop and monitor as well at the moment, and that's why the long desk really helps. And we decided to have that long desk so that if Phil had any of his other team members come and work here, that they would have a space to work from as well. So the desk and the drawers are from Ikea, and they're really good because you can move the drawers around and they become the legs of the desk as well. So it's quite flexible in what kind of configuration you want in this space.
At the start, we actually had 2 of these long desks, and we used these sets of drawers as the legs, and we did it in an L configuration. But since then, I've got a stand-up desk, which also helps for you know, when you're working on the computer for a long time, that you can stand up and work. And that stand-up desk is from Officeworks. And just in the corner, I've got a couple of shelves from Ikea, and just putting some decor there, which just makes the office a bit more appealing and pleasing to work in every single day.
We also have a 3rd bedroom which we won't show because that is going to be turned into a nursery when baby comes along. Alright, so that is our house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed Phil's filming and editing, and don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed and you actually want to see a nursery tour when that's complete as well. Leave your comments down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to check out our vlogs because we do vlog weekly, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
And that clock was from Freedom.
If I have anything to add, you should just say it when I'm talking about it.
Okay, yes,
Because
please.
now you'll have to cut that and...
Yep.
Alright.
Okay, thank you for your
Yeah.
feedback.